Hello viewers, welcome to Digitalsoftecs. In this session, we are going to explain about the operating system services. So what are the operating system services which delivers to us? So let's move towards today's agenda. So what we will learn today? We will learn today about the services of operating system provide to us. It include user interfaces, program development, program execution, access to I/O devices, file system manipulation, and the error detection. So let's explain one by one these services. So what is an operating system service? So we all know that operating system is a service which serves the user requirements, and with the help of operating system we can perform different kinds of operation. So operating system itself is a service. So we going to explain these one by one services, the few services which provide by the operating system to us. So an operating system service provides an environment for execution of a program or anything or any kind of task we want to perform on the computer system. So it delivers the environment will be provided by the operating system. So this is the basic service of operating system to the users, that it provide environment to the user to perform its operations. So we have the service number one, which is a user interface. So all operating system provide a user interface such as graphical user interface, where we interact with the computer system and fulfill our needs. So that is why the operating system provides a very interactive user interface, and we call them the graphic user interface, by the help of which we can interact with the computer system and we can perform the operations. So easily we can manage the operations of operating system, and that is why we can specify and we can complete and solve our problems with the help of easy graphic user interface. So it is very basic service of operating system, which is the user interface. So we have number two, program development. So operating system delivers us the development environment, by the help of which we can develop softwares, programs, and we can perform different type of tasks. So that is why we can install different tools, such as on the screen you easily seen the PyCharm and the Adobe Illustrator, where we can perform and program and code our softwares, and Adobe Illustrator where we done the graphic designing. So there is why program for development, so it provide us the environment by the help of which we can install different tools, and their tools help us to develop a different kind of program or softwares. So there are a lot of tools. The operating system delivers us the way in which we install the different kind of tools for different kind of purposes, such as Microsoft Word. We have a lot of utility applications. We have different kind of IDs uh, which we use for different purposes. So operating system provide the service of software development, such as installing different IDs or tools to able program to develop programs. So which this is a very important service provided by the operating system to the users. We have number three, access to input output devices. We all know that computer system is full of input and output devices, and we can serve from the computer system with the help of input and output devices. So the operating system provides us interface to the programmers or end user to access input output devices. So we can uh, just insert the keyboard. So with the help of operating system we can access and we can able to perform to type our required things on the keyboard. We can use speakers by the help of which we can hear. So all these devices are managed by the operating system, and operating system managed these devices to able to perform the works and we solve our problems. And we have the Bluetooth technology. So this is also provided by the operating system, by the help of which we can make a simple network and send data over the simple network. We call them personal network, we call them PAN. So that PAN is personal area network. So with the help of operating system we can develop that network. So another is a file system manipulation service. So the operating system must provide the capability to read files, to delete files, or copy from one computer system or from one folder to another folder. So that is why this facility is very important, and by the help of which we can perform a different operations, and we can move file over the computer system from one folder to another folder, and we can create folders according to our use. So that is why it is very basic services provided by the operating system to us to perform different operations, such as write a file, create a file, delete or copy a file. So this is very basic service which is called the file system manipulation. We can manipulate and move the file over the computer system. We have the error detections when we got installing in program, so we got error, so that error are um, picked by the operating system. So it's the operating system ability to detect errors in CPU, central process unit, memory, hardware, IO devices or any other device when the devices are not properly installed. So the operating system pick and pop up the window where they can delivers us that we have an error. So this is a very important functionality and important service provided by the operating system to us. So operating system provides the facility of error detection, and we can respond over the error we got in our computer system. So it's all about the facilities or the services provided by the operating system.